Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ken.
And I'm Pastor Lenyar.
And we're taking this time to invite you to a very powerful conference that's coming in August. That's the Dream Nation Conference. It's the very first one.
It's the very first one, August 23rd through 25th. And we need you all to get ready to get here.
It's going to be powerful. We're excited. People will be coming from all over. The very first night, Pastor Tye Tribbett.
And then the second day, we have Bishop Jason Nelson and
Pastor Markus Gill.
Yes. And then Sunday morning.
Woo, Sunday morning.
You got to get here to hear from Apostle Sharon Nesbitt. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be Baltimore in the house, and Dallas, and Pakistan.
And from other cities and states also. It's just going to be powerful. Great music, great fellowship, but most of all, we want you to experience the presence and power of God. Dream Nation Conference, August 23rd to 25th. I'm hoping to see you there.
All right, we'll see you soon.